So this is what we call a 36 strip tray. We've got 36 little Elipot cups or plugs in here, live plants, and we've mixed it. This is our kitchen classic mix, which we've marked on the box, and that consists of, and you'll see it on the website, consists of oregano, thyme, and sage. It is a kitchen classic. I cook with these things every day, and it's great to have them around. And these size little plugs, I might just pull one out. This little plug is perfect for putting right in your Varden pouch or your Varden sock 1-footer or 2-footer. Cut a small little hole, pop this thing in, and off it goes. It's a paper Elipot, heavily rooted, not swirling around, very healthy, and they'll take off quick. So this is what customers will get when they order Kitchen Classic. So we take this, and we've got our box right here. Get everything in. These guys have been watered. They've got plenty of moisture in the plug. They're going to go in the dark here for a couple of days while they make their journey to the customer, and then out they come. Sorry guys. There they go.